Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make Shake Shack sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well I appreciate you joining us today. Thanks so much for being here. Like I said, we're going to be making Shake Shack sauce today, so let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We have got a half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon of dill relish, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Start mixing it up. Alright, get a bowl big enough for everything in the ingredients list, and this will be in the posted comments down there or in the description box. Get your mayonnaise in there, get your ketchup, dill relish, mustard, cayenne, paprika, and the garlic powder. And then we just mix this all up. Really well. There it is. We're going to set this up with some French fries and we're going to give it a taste. Don't go anywhere. Beautiful pictures. Let's give this a taste. I already got one in the sauce. There you go. Yep, great dip for fries. Got the creaminess of the mayonnaise, the acidity of that mustard in there, a little garlic bite in there. The relish gives it a nice zing too with a little acid there. That holds well to the fry. Very tasty sauce. Quick and easy. Recipe is in the description box down below or in that first pinned comment. And also be sure to check out my gourmet seasoning shop online, www.itsonlyfood.biz. Thanks a lot for joining us today. We'll see you again real soon.
Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Yeah, now what you fixing up?